Rohan, stop hitting on Nandita. Yo, dude, she's your friend. Rohan, stop hitting on Nandita. Yo, dude, she's your friend.
To hit on someone, to get romantically and sexually interested in someone. Adi, are you hitting on me? To turn someone on, to get sexually excited. Adi, I like your voice. It always turns me on.
আদি, আমি তোমার কণ্ঠস্বর পছন্দ করি। এটা সবসময় আমাকে আকর্ষিত করে। To hit it off. To have an immediate good connections with someone. I really hit it off with that girl last night. I've really hit it off with that girl last night. To check someone out. To look at someone's physical appearance. Rohan, Nandita is your friend, so stop checking her out while she's asleep. Rohan, Nandita is your friend, so stop checking her out while she's asleep. To fall for, to fall in love, to develop feelings for someone. I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you. Go out. To go out on a date. To go and spend time with someone. Hey, do you want to go out sometime? Do you want to go out sometime? Ask out. To invite someone on a date. Ask someone to go on a date. Have you asked him out yet? Have you asked him out yet?
To crush on, to have a romantic feelings for someone. I have a huge crush on Adi.
Call up. To call. That called me up last night. To make out. To kiss someone for a long period of time. To kiss someone for a long period of time. Let's make out.
To hook up, anything from kissing to having sex. I hooked up with Adi last night. He was so good. To break up, to end the relationship with someone. I don't want to break up with Adi.
To make up with someone. To get back together. To say sorry and make it better. Why don't you two kiss and make up? Has he made up with her yet?
Split up, an ending of a relationship or partnership. A separation. Adi has split up with his girlfriend.